I'm Rasmus, I'm here in Slikhaar studio with René and Mads, and today we are doing some curly texture. Are you guys up for it?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
What are we going to do today?
I think a little bit curly on top and longer in the neck.
Great, I'm ready. Let's watch it. So tell me, what are you doing for a living?
I'm a handball player, playing for Reneé. Yeah, and next year I'm gonna play for Silkeborg.
Cool! Danish handball is the best in the world.
Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you
And the Dynamite play.
adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel.
You look amazing.
Thanks.
Then I'm going to use the moisturizer for the neck.
Great job, René, as always. And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.